natural health for beginners.
How to make homemade beetroot lip balm. Learn how to make a simple, nourishing, and natural beetroot lip balm at home. This DIY lip balm is easy to make and requires just a few ingredients. The beetroot gives it a lovely tint, and the other ingredients keep your lips soft and hydrated. Let's dive into this all-natural lip care routine. Instructions: melt the ingredients. Place a heat-proof bowl over a pot of simmering water, double boiler method. Add 1 tablespoon of grated beeswax, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1/2 tablespoon of shea butter to the bowl. Stir occasionally until everything melts together smoothly. Add beetroot powder. Remove the bowl from heat once the mixture is melted. Quickly add 1/2 teaspoon of beetroot powder and stir well to combine. Keep stirring until the powder is fully incorporated, giving the balm a rich pinkish tint. Add essential oils, optional. If you want a scented balm, add 2 to 3 drops of your favorite essential oil and mix. Pour into containers. Carefully pour the liquid lip balm into small lip balm containers or tubes. Let the balm cool and solidify at room temperature for about an hour. Store and use. Once solidified, your beetroot lip balm is ready to use. Store in a cool, dry place. Tips: tint strength. Adjust the amount of beetroot powder to achieve your desired tint. A little goes a long way. Storage. Since this lip balm is made with natural ingredients, it's best to use it within 6 months and keep it out of direct sunlight. Now you know how to make your own homemade beetroot lip balm. This balm is nourishing, eco-friendly, and chemical-free, perfect for you or as a thoughtful homemade gift. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this DIY beauty recipe. Try it out, and let us know how it goes in the comments below.